Hello, teacher. Con ơi. Hello, teacher đi.
Hello.
Teacher.
Hel-
Con
Hello.
hello, teacher đi.
Hello, teacher.
Okay.
Yeah, con.
Okay. Please turn on your camera. Open your camera. Hello. Okay. Hello, dear.
Hello.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Kwame.
Kwan. Your name is Kwan. Kwan Min. Okay. Hello, Kwan Min. And how old are you? How old are you? You are? How old? How old are you?
I am 9, 9 years old.
Okay, 9 years old. Okay, hello, dear. Now, my name is Teacher Novi, and I will be your teacher for today. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, Kwan Min?
Those one. Yes.
Okay, so let me share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen already? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Look at the picture here. So today, let's learn Unit 5. Okay, Unit 5 of this lesson. This is the things to do. Okay, you read. Things to do. Things.
Things to do.
Exactly. So today, let's learn. Listen, point, and say. Look at the first picture. Okay, what is the boy doing here? Okay, what is the boy doing here? The word is, again, read.
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 Okay, reading.
Read.
Read. The boy is reading book. You right? Next. What is this? The girl is right. Say the right. Right. Right.
Right.
Next. Next word. Draw.
Draw.
Draw. Again.
Draw.
Draw. Draw. Draw.
Draw.
Next. Talk.
Draw.
Talk. Talk.
Talk.
Say the word talk.
Talk.
Next. Sing. 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 Say the word sing. Do you like to sing? La la. Sing. Do you like it? Do you like to sing? Yes or no? Kwan Min. Sing.
Yes.
Okay, next. Next word. Dance. Dance.
Dance.
Dance. Again. Dance.
Dance.
Okay, let's look. Again, what is the word? You read. 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 Write.
Door.
Write. Write.
Right.
Draw.
Right. Jar.
Talk. Talk. Talk.
Talk.
Sing.
Talk. Sing.
Sing. And Dance.
Sing.
Dance. Dance.
Dance.
Dance. Okay. So these are the actions. Now, this time, please circle. Okay, circle. This is read, write, draw, talk, sing, and dance.
Dance.
Mhm.
Dance.
Yay. So listen and number the pictures right here. Okay. Now, where is read? Read. Number 1. Read. Where is reading? Look the picture. Where is the reading? The boy is reading.
The boy is reading.
Okay, look. Look for the boy who is reading. And circle. Circle. Circle who's reading in the picture.
Oh.
Where? Can you circle? Can you make a circle? Where is the boy that is reading? Reading. Read. Read. Look at this.
Ring.
It's number 1. Read.
What?
Read.
Read.
Next. Write.
Read.
Write. Where is the boy writing? Can you circle? Right. Right. Where is it?
Right.
Where is the boy? The boy is here. Can you make a circle?
Is right.
Okay, right. This is this one. What is the word? What is the girl doing here? The word is draw.
Door.
It's
Draw.
draw. Draw. Number, we will put number. What number? Number?
Door.
Number?
3.
Okay, number 3. Very good, Kwon Min. Now, what about this one? Okay, look. What are they doing? They are? What is the word? Talk. The word is? Talk.
Talk.
Talk. Talk.
Talk.
Okay, the number. What is the number?
Talk.
Number. We will put number. What number? Number? Number 4.
Number 4.
Okay, next. Okay, now here. What is the girl doing in this picture? What is the girl doing here? The girl is? What is the girl? Okay, the girl is? What is the girl doing? It's dance. 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 So we have number. Say the word dance. Dance.
Dance.
Dance.
Dance.
Number. What is the number?
5.
Number 5. There you go. Next, what about this girl right here? La 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 la. Sing. The girl is? Sing.
Singing.
Sing. So what number? 5? What number? Number?
Six.
Number 6. Very good. So
Six.
good. Okay, good job. Number 6. Next, Min Kwan. Next lesson. This case, we will going to listen and say. Okay, listen and say. So practice. You can say I'm. You listen to teacher. I'm
Are.
again here. We gonna this one. I want you to read. Okay, you read it first. Reading. Reading.
Read.
Reading. Say it 3 times. Reading. 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 Reading.
Reading.
Next. Writing.
Writing.
Very good. Next word is draw. Drawing.
Drawing.
Drawing. Next. Talk. Talking.
Walking.
Okay, you say talk. Talking. Talk. Talking.
Okay.
Next.
Talk.
Sing.
Talking.
Sing. Singing.
Singing.
Okay. Do you like to sing? Do you like to sing? Yes? Do you like to sing? Yes?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Okay, what about this? Dance. Dancing.
Dancing.
Okay, you do dance? Do you do dancing? You dance? You dance?
No.
Okay,
I
no. Okay, you don't. So you better sing. Okay, next. You read. I'm. 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 I'm.
I'm. I'm.
I am.
I'm.
I am.
He.
I
I
am.
am.
Okay, next. He.
He's what he is.
Uh-huh. Okay, he is talking. He is. You read. Next. She's. She's. She is.
Equals
She is.
singing.
Very good. Next. Isn't. 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 Is not.
Isn't it not? That's
Is not. Very good. Clap your hands, Kwan Min. Now let's have this one. Okay, I want you to read. Okay, you read this one. So you read. I'm. I'm.
reading.
Very good. Next. Uh-huh. Next. He is. Oh.
Is
Reading.
reading.
Okay, do you want to drink some water? Okay, drink water first. Drink water. Do you want to drink water? Okay, so let's read. He is reading. He is.
She is reading.
Next. She is.
Có thể biến mất. Không để
She
biến mất.
is. Okay, she is.
Cô, teacher có thể biến mất color nhưng mà không thể biến mất.
Okay, what do you want? She is reading.
She is reading.
I'm not writing.
I'm not writing.
Next. He isn't. Next. She
Isn't writing.
Okay, good job. Now this part, I want you to answer. So look, what is the answer here? This is a boy. So you say, he is. What is the boy doing here? He is listen. He is
Gì?
reading. What about this one? He is
Writing.
good. This one.
Writing.
Okay, good. What about number 3? She is very good. This one. Next. He is talk. Very good. What about this one? He is la la la. He is
Singing.
good. He is singing. And for the last one, she is
Dancing.
correct. She is dancing. Good job, Juanmi. Now this time, let's continue. Listen and ask and answer, then practice. Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing? So you say, I'm reading.
Reading.
Okay. Now, let's have
reading.
what? Okay. What's he doing? What's he doing? So you say, she is reading.
She is
Reading. Very good. Now, I'm going to ask you, what are you doing, Juan Min? What are you doing? What are you doing now? I'm sitting. Sitting. Okay. Look at this picture. What he's doing. What's she doing? What's she doing? What's she doing? Okay, you answer. She's reading. Reading. Reading.
Reading.
Okay, next. What's she? Okay, next. What's she doing? What's she doing?
She is
She's talk. She is talk. She is
King.
no. She is talking. She is talking.
She is talking.
Very good. Next. What's he doing? What's he doing? What is he doing?
He is writing.
Very good. Number 4. What's he doing?
She
He.
is dancing.
Correct. Number 5. What he doing? What's he doing?
He is
He is
singing.
correct. He's singing. And last, what's she doing?
He
She is
drawing.
correct. She's drawing. Good job, Min Kwan. So this time, all of your answers are correct. So you've got a score of 6 out of 6. Yippee! A perfect score for Min Kwan Min. Okay. Good job. Now next, let's have this one. Point and ask. Point and ask. What can you do? What can your friend do? Ask and answer. What he's doing? What's he doing? So your answer is he is right.
Is
Right.
writing.
Correct. Oh, very good. Good job. Next. Okay, next. Let's going to listen, point, and say. Listen, point, and say. Okay, you listen. Look at the first picture. The word is, okay, where are you? I can't see you. Where are you?
Drink. Sleep.
Okay,
Play.
okay, eat, drink, sleep, and play.